In this video, you are going to see how to change the underline color in Google Docs, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have a text and I want to change the underline color. Let us go to Insert, go to Drawing, click on New. Now go to over here and select a line and hold down the Shift key and drag and draw a line like this. Click on this line color option and you can change the color of your choice. Now click on Save and Close. Click on it, click on this three dot, go to Size and Rotation, and if you have the Lock Aspect Ratio checked, just uncheck it like this. If you want to change the height, just change from here 0.04, and under the text wrapping option, click on In Front of Text. Now select the line and position it like this. Now if you want to increase the length from here, you can change it very easily, and this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.